So one of the common questions that a lot of brand new Ecamm users will have is, what is the difference between scenes versus overlays? And scenes is going to be the external, the container of, let's say, the show or the folder that you want to have everything in. You can run a scene and have it be the main screen that you're seeing. You can also do this by sharing a screen share overlay, or it can house and hold a video. I highly encourage to use a folder system when you're doing your live stream show, just to make sure that it's more optimized and more efficient, so you're not constantly worrying which button should I press, especially when you're brand new. You'll know in a very sequential order what order to put things in. The overlays panel is going to house everything that's going to be within that scene. So if it's a countdown timer and it's going to be intro for the show, maybe it's going to have the image or the video. Making sure that each individual overlay setup is more efficient for you is going to make it easy to access when you want to change that background image or video, instead of always having to manipulate the main scene. So what's the difference between scenes versus overlays? Your scenes is more or less going to be the container, and let that be the folder and structural system for your show. And then the overlays is what's going to house the content for the show.